good day everyone. Gab here, market analyst from SmarTrade. So let's have our Nasdaq and Dow Jones daily analysis. So to start off, we have a Nasdaq 100. So currently it's traded around 12,296. So the levels that I gave you yesterday is 12,020 and of course 11,920. So if we base on the market trend for Nasdaq 100 last night, so as you can see, it did not go lower around 11,920, but rather it goes up. It's actually traded beyond 12,020, and it hits our target for about 12,050. So I hope you guys profited with this one if you managed to took a long position. Even if you open a position on the early session, you will still get the profits early. But if you enter once again around above 12,020, then you will get another profit from here. But after that, as I mentioned yesterday, if the price of Nasdaq 100 is traded above 12,050, then we might see a further rise on the Nasdaq 100. So for today's levels, what are the levels that we need to pay attention? So number one, as you can see, we have 12,300, and same goes with 12,230. So number one, if it's traded beyond 12,300, then we might see a 12,400 for the week. But you have to be very cautious with 12,400, since this one is a strong resistance area. So if the price retrace on the upside from 12,400, then we might see a retracement. But overall, if it's traded beyond 12,400, then we might see a further move on the upside for Nasdaq 100. And on the downside, if you can see that the Nasdaq 100 is traded below 12,230, then we might target 12,200 for the day. So same thing, if the price goes down lower, 12,200, then we might see another drop for Nasdaq 100. And lastly, we have Dow Jones. So for Dow Jones, yesterday's levels, we have 31,150, and of course we have 30,950. So same thing with Nasdaq 100. The Dow Jones did not go lower around 30,950. So it actually touched our area of interest on the upside, which is 31,150, and it's traded beyond 31,150. And what happened? It took our target area of here around 31,250. So to those who open a long positions with Dow Jones, I hope you guys profited. And same thing, it traded above 31,250. And what happened? The price of Dow Jones go up further for about 31,600 levels. And for today's levels for Dow Jones, we need to pay attention on 31,700 and of course 31,550. So if you can see that Dow Jones traded below 31,550, then we might see 31,400. For first target, it possibly we can target 31,500. And if you can see that Dow Jones is traded below 31,500, then we might see 31,400 after that. But on the upside, potentially, if the price can go beyond 31,700, then we might see 31,800 for the day. But same thing with Nasdaq 100. So for Dow Jones, we need to pay attention on the 31,800 area, since this one is a previous support. So we might see a retracement on the downside once it goes up. But if it can sustain above 31,800, then we might see another move on the upside for Dow Jones. So overall, same thing with gold, silver, and US oil. So if you manage to took a position for Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, regardless if it's long or short, I would really suggest you to trail your positions, especially if you manage to take the half of our targeted pips, so that it can protect your capital. Same goes with your accounts. And that is all for our Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100 daily analysis. Please like and subscribe sa YouTube channel is SmarTrade, and see you on the next video.